Everyone thinks the best-selling inflatable toddler pools are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Intex Jungle Adventure Play Center. The Intex 96 by 78-inch Jungle Adventure Play Center caught my attention right away. Priced at $70.19, it's loaded with exciting features that promise tons of fun. If you want your little one to have a blast while learning to swim, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. This inflatable pool is designed specifically for toddlers aged 2 and up. With a capacity of 130 gallons and dimensions of 96 inches long and 78 inches wide, it provides plenty of space for multiple kids to play. The fun doesn't stop there. It includes a water slide and various inflatable toys like a flamingo and monkey, which means your child won't get bored easily. Plus, it features a safety drain to ensure the water doesn't exceed 4.5 inches, so you can have peace of mind while they play. With over 5,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about this setup being a tad tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's inflated, the joy on your child's face makes it all worthwhile. If you're prepared to put in a little effort for hours of fun, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you have toddlers eager to splash around in a backyard water oasis. Skip this one if you're looking for a super compact option, but for the price, you're getting an impressive play center. Now, if the size of the Intex Jungle Adventure bothered you, this next pool takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Big Summer 3 Rings Kiddie Pool. We have the Big Summer 3 Rings Kiddie Pool, which is a more budget-friendly option at just $20.87. This caught my eye for its simplicity and versatility. If you want something easy to set up that still delivers fun, this is worth a serious look. This pool measures 48 inches across and holds 100 gallons of water, making it a great choice for younger kids. The dual inflatable bubble bottom adds an extra layer of comfort so your child can play safely. Plus, it's thickened by 40% compared to standard pools, which means it's less likely to puncture. With a drain hole at the bottom, emptying it out is a breeze, allowing for quick cleanup after playtime. Parents appreciate this pool for its durability, and the included repair pouch is a nice touch, which shows that the brand stands behind its product. However, some reviews mention that it could be a bit small for bigger toddlers. But honestly, if you're looking for something to introduce your child to water play without breaking the bank, it's a fun and functional choice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable pool that's easy to store and set up. Skip this one if your kids are over 3 and need more space to splash around, but for the price, you're getting a solid pool. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for creative play. Product number 3, Intex Dinoland Play Center. Let's look at the Intex 11-foot by 7.5-foot Dinoland Play Center, priced at $55.13. This inflatable pool looks like a mini water park, and I was genuinely surprised by the fun factor it offers. If you want a pool that promotes imaginative play while keeping your kids cool, this is worth a serious look. This pool features a slide and built-in games like Dino Hoops, making it perfect for active kids who love to splash and play. With a capacity of 77 gallons and dimensions of 131 inches long by 90 inches wide, there's plenty of room for several kids to enjoy at once. No need for a filter, just fill it up and let the fun begin. It even has a drain plug for easy cleanup. Honestly, that's a game changer for busy parents. Some reviews did mention that the slide can be slippery for smaller kids. Here's the thing though, a little adult supervision can go a long way in ensuring safety while maximizing fun. This isn't a deal breaker, it's just part of the excitement. This is perfect for you if your kids love playing games and having a good time outside. Skip this one if you're in need of a simple option, but the creativity and fun it offers make it a great value. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next pool is a fantastic alternative.
Product number 4, Intex Gator Swim Center. The Intex Gator 6.6-foot by 5.6-foot swim center, which is priced at $43.99. I was drawn to its playful design, featuring a cute gator theme. If you want something that's not just a pool, but also a play zone, this is worth a serious look. This inflatable pool is 79 inches long and holds up to 42 gallons of water, making it suitable for toddlers. It includes a slide, sprinklers, and even a bucket for added fun. The garden hose attachment for the sprayer is a fantastic feature that keeps kids cool on hot days. It's built from durable vinyl material, so it's designed to last throughout summer after summer. Plus, it supports up to 120 pounds, allowing multiple kids to splush around at once. However, some parents express concerns about the slide's height for younger kids, but I'll be real with you. This pool fosters creativity and active play, which is so vital for their development. The slide's height can be managed with a little guidance, so I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a multifunctional pool that offers more than just swimming. Skip this one if you only want a straightforward pool, but it provides excellent value for the fun it delivers. Now, let's wrap up with one of the simplest options that's also easy on the wallet.
Product number 5, Intex Crystal Blue Inflatable Pool. We have the Intex Crystal Blue Inflatable Pool, which is the most affordable option at just $13.90. I love how simple yet effective this pool is. If you want something basic that still provides a cooling escape during the summer, this is worth a serious look. This pool measures 45 inches across and holds 41 gallons of water. Its design is straightforward, making it perfect for toddlers as young as 2. The thick material provides decent durability, and it comes with a repair patch, which is a nice reassurance. It's compact enough to fit in smaller backyards or even on your patio, making it versatile for any space. Some people noted that it might be too small for bigger toddlers, and I get that concern. But honestly, for younger kids just getting accustomed to water, it's an excellent choice. It's a no-fuss option that offers simple fun without the bells and whistles. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-set-up pool that won't take up much space. Skip this one if your kids prefer more elaborate setups, but for a quick and fun way to beat the heat, it's a fantastic deal.
To wrap it up, we covered 5 great inflatable pools for toddlers. From the interactive Intex Jungle Adventure to the budget-friendly Intex Crystal Blue, there's something for every backyard and every budget. No matter which one you choose, they all offer a chance for your little ones to have a splashing good time this summer.